In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept tickets on Viagogo. If you've purchased tickets and you're waiting to receive them, the first thing to do is check your email inbox for a ticket transfer notification. This message may come from Viagogo or from the original ticket provider that's handling the transfer. Make sure you look carefully because the email you need is usually the one that contains the actual transfer link. Once you find that email, open it and look for the button or link that says accept tickets or claim tickets. Go ahead and click that link. This will usually take you to the official ticketing platform connected to your order, such as Ticketmaster, AXS, or another authorized provider. It's important to complete the process through that platform since that's where the tickets will be stored and managed. After that, sign into the ticketing platform. If you don't already have an account there, you'll need to create one. Be sure to use an account you can access easily later, especially on your phone, because that's often how you'll present the tickets at the event. Once you're signed in, follow the on-screen instructions to accept the ticket transfer. The exact layout may look a little different depending on the provider, but the process is usually very straightforward. Just continue through the prompts until the transfer is completed. When that's done, confirm that the tickets have actually been added to your account. Don't stop at the confirmation email alone. Open the ticketing app or website and go to the section labeled My Tickets, Wallet, or Events. That's where you should be able to view the tickets directly. Now take a moment to check that the ticket details match your purchase. Review the event name, the date and time, the venue, and the seat information. This quick check helps you catch any issues early and gives you peace of mind before the event day. If the platform requires it, save the ticket inside the official ticketing app. This is very important because many venues now use mobile tickets with rotating or changing barcodes. That means a screenshot may not work for entry, even if it looks correct. Using the official app is the safest option. Finally, when it's time for the event, bring your mobile device with the tickets ready to open, and make sure you also have any required identification with you. That way, you'll be fully prepared for a smooth entry. And that's how to accept tickets on Viagogo.